No intro, no outro, straight fire. Let's get into these trades. All right, so ooh, AUD USD. Try to enter in on Monday's New York POC. And as you can see right here, got a liquidity sweep right here. Which is, again, that's cool. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. I set a pending order based off of, excuse me, today's London POC, which as you can see is right here, but price hasn't really hit me in yet. So that's that. EUR USD, same thing. Liquidity sweep for EUR USD hit me out on my second trade for EU. But luckily, I am still in this trade for EU right now. So up right here, probably, I don't want to say halfway there because not at the halfway mark. But this liquidity sweep could have been definitely utilized as another entry. But again, not trying to be greedy. Set a pending order based off of London's POC. As you can see, close above the value area. Had a POC, pending order set. So we'll see how price looks in Asia session. GU hit full take profit for shorts. That's the take profit area right here. Got a nice 5.11%. Looking for other selling opportunities, but haven't really seen any. Price close above the PO value area high. Nothing. So looking for other potential selling opportunities for GU with, again, potential take profits right here, but right here at this low. But we'll see, what sets up, how price sets up. Last but not least, USD JPY. Pending order didn't hit in. And then I set two pending orders that also, well, this pending order was after like the peak of New York session today. And then this pending order was just based off of price closing above the value area high. So obviously just how I trade, getting on the POC for the daily profile, take profit this high. So real easy, real simple, quick, short, to the point. Literally less than 3 minutes. So I got asked a question. The question was, I see, like a pattern in your trading. How can I become a better trader, or what are things that I need to study in order to become a better trader? Listen, my answer to that is market patterns, right? The market that we are in right now, it's very unpredictable. But if you know basic market patterns, and when I mean market patterns, I mean like how the market moves. So really the market only moves in three ways. You have your impulse, correction, continuation, right? Impulse, correction, continuation. Usually within the correction, you have some type of consolidation, right? So, and the quicker you kind of like realize this and kind of look to see what market is doing at that current moment, the better off you'll be in your trades, and you'll not get clapped every single time. Now, can you win every single trade? Absolutely not. But the majority of your trades are going to go do really, really well, especially with risk management, right? So you have your impulse, correction, usually some type of consolidation, liquidity grab, continuation, right? For sells, you have your impulse, correction, usually some type of consolidation, liquidity grab, and then you continue downwards. This consolidation period is very important. If you look at the POC, that's usually around some type of consolidation period. Either it be on a bigger, and let me just go to the same pair but on a different broker so my charts don't get convoluted. But it's literally, if you look at the POC, where the POC is located is usually around some type of consolidated area. And these are where I achieve to enter in off of. Look right here. POC is what? You see consolidation, a lot of volume. Look right here, POC, consolidation, a lot of volume. I go down to a lower time frame, you kind of see a little bit better, right? You have your consolidation, that's where your POC is. Zoom back out, excuse me, POC, consolidation. Oh, what is going on? Consolidation, right? POC, consolidation. POC, this red line, consolidation, right? It's all a part of market cycles and where the market is at and where the market is going. This is it in good detail, right? This is it in good detail, and I'm literally putting y'all on to something like for real, right? You have your impulse, consolidation, liquidity sweep, boom. This right here, you can enter in for the pullback. Price pulls back, consolidation, boom, continues up, right? Look where price consolidates at, right here. Price consolidates right here. If you look to the left, what is this? A POC. Literally. It happens over and over and over again. The thing with traders is they're impatient or they just don't use their eyeballs to see what the market is doing. And price is fractal, and this happens on every single time frame. Literally from the 5, like I'm literally on the 5-minute, right? Because you can see it a little bit better. And it happens every single time frame. Right here, this is a huge consolidated zone. Right here for the daily, right? Price is consolidating. Look what price did. Pump, came back to this area, and then pumped down some more. If I take out my volume profile, my daily profile, look at that. This is where a majority of the volume is, right? So not going to go into this too much, but if you stay to the end, you got some gems. Price just moves like that. All right, so no intro, no outro, straight fire.